हेलो बच्चों, इजी स्टेप फॉर किड्स में आप सभी का स्वागत है। सबसे पहले जान लेते हैं कलर्स नेम। पिंक कलर, ब्लैक कलर, स्काई ब्लू कलर, पैरेट ग्रीन कलर, वायलेट कलर, ब्राउन कलर, रेड कलर, येलो कलर, ऑरेंज कलर। रेड कलर A for ant, A for apple, A for apple. Green color B for balloon, B for balloon. B for butterfly, B for butterfly. Black color C for cup, C for car, C for car. Sky blue color D for dog, D for duck, D for duck. Yellow color E for elephant, E for elephant. E for egg, E for egg. Pink color F for fish, F for fox, F for fox. Violet color G for giraffe, G for giraffe. G for grapes, G for grapes. Green color H for hand, H for hand. H for hat, H for hat. Orange color I for ice cream, I for ice cream. I for ink pot, I for ink pot. A for apple, A for ant. B for balloon, B for butterfly. C for cup, C for car. D for dog, D for duck. E for elephant, E for egg. F for fox, F for fish. G for giraffe, G for grapes. H for hand, H for hat. I for ice cream, I for ink pot.